morning, everyone, and welcome to day 14 of the Simply Stated Christmas Cheer 2024 Advent Calendar. Let's go see what's happening today. Ooh, it's a big package today. All right, day 14. I like how she keeps the mystery by keeping it white on both sides. No peeking. Here we go. Ooh, beautiful. That is an amazing watercolor. I absolutely love the red and green with the gold running through it. It's spectacular. Oh, yes. Yep. Love it. Look at the beautiful greenery there. I love that ribbon candy. The 6x6 papers are so attractive. This has got to be one of my favorite. I normally don't love a greenery because they all, to me, look kind of fake. But this is so realistic. I don't know. I just think it's beautiful. Just beautiful. I love the ribbon candy plaid. And can't get enough of that bouquet. Wow. What an incredible day. Absolutely love. Chantal, you are the master at picking amazing papers. Your designs are incredible. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in for day 14. We'll see you for day 15 tomorrow. La, 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 la.